only you are God. Ebenezer Nemo, onye dey do this, only you are God. Oh, Ebenezer Nemo, only you are God. Oh, nyere no nyitaka, only you are God. Oh, nyere no nyitaka. God bless you. Madam. Which guy nonsense be this one? What happened? Come, we will your joke again. What happened? But you know the kind of money where this woman put for this boy. Will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up your mouth? Person give you money. You are not grateful to God Almighty. You're supposed to show appreciation, show remorse, and show concern. Oh, why? Oh, why? Madam, please, no verse, no mind, I'm not small picky.
Oga, God bless you.
Thank you.
I don't blame you. You said to make money day easy.
I beg, come on here. Which kind of nonsense be this one? You go man how you they talk. Person give you money, they talk. How much be that one? But the actual thing, you don't know how much where this woman put. Now you they shout. How much he give us? Come on, 20 naira. Come on, 20 naira. I should buy where you be? First one, go collect it. You don't come out. Come back here. Only my boy. Why you can't leave me here? They come out. Where you can go? Only one. Anyhow. No, for my hand, you use this thing. Now, what if I cannot go hit you for your hand? You do the Lord. Why you go come collect that money this early hour? Only need 20 naira no. That do Omar brother can him to 20. What kind of nonsense be that one? You can't collect, you don't tell me on time. No, be you green make I talk finish. You know green make I talk finish. You don't collect, God bless you. And they go to give me a look. Only what you check on duty. All your child, she go change color today. If you don't change color, call me bastard. Nga. Let me come with it. Give me the money. Bring and give me. I know I like it. I know they like this kind of thing. I know they like them. Hey! I want to wash. What walker? Ebenezer Nemo. Ebenezer Ipo. They like this kind of thing. How they like this kind of thing? How they like them? What you know they like? Mpa chima jogo. Owe huru da sign on. Owe huru da sign on. Onye huru. Who come huru? Mpa see this is your anger issue. It is spoil business for us. This is your anger issue. It is spoil business for us. I know they like them. I don't like them. Which one be anger issue they spoil business for you? So make I there make your mama insult me. Your mama there they pour insult on me. You expect me to keep quiet? Huh? You know what? You know what? What is it? Me the walk like Nketa. Is it not? Me the back like a dog. Evil supporter. Evil supporter, they say man support man, woman support woman. But your own, you the support woman, so why you allow no such thing? Of no one baga gen, that is whom you are. When you see a woman, you ungen, but your fellow man go they hit the door. You the support your mama. Your mama they do evil, you the support them, and evil go swallow you. If evil not swallow you, call me bastard. I know they support evil with evil, and I know they pay evil with evil. Papa, if they say you calm down, if you not away that person market, calm down for waiting. Your mama will talk rubbish, she calm down. Your mama will there, they make me vex anyhow, she calm down. In fact, it's not the lead the way they lead me. No need me again. No need me again. Now this thing why they talk. I don't want you. Now this thing why they talk now. Ezo nyagwalam. Now this thing. Don't lead me. I go fit to go. God of the blind go lead me home. God of the blind who have been leading me from day one. Before I born you, don't lead me. I don't go alone before I born you. Don't lead me. Go your way. Go. On him kuru. Mba. On him kuru. So bad. Ega lotawan. Ega lotawan. Aga ma lota. Onwa di hene menu. Onwa di fe na me aha. Onye don so kria nuri. Onwa di hene me aha. Wetin dey there? You dey lead me under the bury lem omu go bury lem hoso. Ane eduma na be say come give me you wound yourself oh. Make I wound. Ija mero onwe ga ho. Agbasrago. Ija mero onwe ga ho. That you no concern you. I go lead myself. God of the blind make you come lead me. Oluwa boy. Oluwa boy.
You will not keep quiet now.
Oh, boy.
I will leave you here.
Oh, boy.
You will not keep quiet.
Good home. Not be tomorrow night. You go tell them, say, now you they lead me.
Let's be going home.
He got mama bashing. He got people that mama.
You will not stay one place now.
Leave me.
You will not stay one place. You will not stay one place. Let's be going home.
They lead me, they beat me. They lead me, they beat me. Oh, boy. Oh, look, bring me down. I'm not married again. Whenever she go, let her come back and carry her things and leave this house. She say, have the guts to leave me, to leave my side in the market. Just leave me alone. She will leave me now and she will leave me forever. I'm no longer interested. Make she come carry her bag here. Make she come carry all her bag ready here. No one see this bag here again. Come and carry your thing and go.
Mpogini, why you carry all these bags outside?
You're a fool. The reason the bag is outside is because a fool begot a fool. You are a fool, I'm robber, like mother, like son. Both of you team together to suck me dry. But the God I serve, the God of the blind. The moment you decide to suck me dry, God of the blind will expose you people to my notice. Go and call your mama. Wherever your mama there, go call her for phone. No, call her, make she come back, come carry her things, come up for this house. Because I don't marry again. I don't want to marry again.
Papa, you are funny. You're a very funny man. Even you can even act Nollywood. You can even act Nollywood drama. Now your bags you carry come outside now.
And so?
Now your bags you carry come outside.
How? How you be my bag? Where them? Where
see them? Here now. Now your bags you carry come outside.
And you hear that? You see I'm saying on my bag. You see I'm saying on my bag. You still leave her. As you come, she stand on my bag, and you don't send your mama own and one carry. You can't stand there, they look at me. Oh yeah, come carry this thing down, take her inside.
What?
Come and carry this thing down, carry and go inside. Oh no, boy. Carry. Oh yeah, carry and go inside.
I'm here now.
Fast. Wait.
Mama don't lock door.
Which mama?
Your
Which
wife.
door?
Our door. Your door. Everybody's door. Mama don't lock her.
Which your mama go really have to bata shoes? Oh boy, you're playing with me. You're playing with fire. You don't go like me. Open door, carry something, go inside. Yeah, not give them. I hate you. I don't like you. You talk too much.
I go take open this door. I go take open this door when mama don't lock her.
Which mama lock door? Never go here. Your mama carry door, come here. Oh no! Oh yeah. Oh no!
Now your bag.
Come now, Kuhenile. Bru. Enter.
I go take carry and go.
Enter. You not come back. She not came now. Oh no! Oh no, boy. Every time you go remain there for dump. You go remain there for dump. On let children. I do a money me cost. I name a woman. It's so much. I want to get it. An hour woman. Olua boy. Olua. Ndishi kwenu. Kwenu. Kwetu odo. Hey! Obinigwe. This kind of children when you give me one time you know. They are great grandchildren that get chain I will get out chain ara. Atanso. Wait oh. The cricketer were here. Nah, man and woman thing.
And that's believable now.
As you bob leg.
You called it somebody else, not your husband.
This is business.
I'm talking about your husband.
I'm talking about money. Yes.
Mbampa owe ura san ono. Monkey dey walk, babu dey chop.
I want to take in a second wife.
Oh. How?
Where that chorus come from? Una be choir master.
Like father, like son. Both of you are supposed to be blind because when you go for the aqua.
Which dog they back to?
Tell me the person that is in this village that does not know that I am not a blind woman. So how do I disguise myself?
Since where you don't see, you don't buy money. begging business? You blind or you crippled? Or you deaf and dumb?
I can handle any of them. Short, I can fake blindness.
Huh?
Yes.
So you've not heard that Ibesim now is a multi-millionaire?
As I come back like this, now I see one of my G. He come dey tell me say see my papa they beg some market.
God will peace.
He's begging a crime.
Before I go beg from now to the end of this year, my